Alright, today we have Richie Mena tinting this Acura front window with 3M, color stable, 5%. He's already shrunk and done the rest of the windows, but we did want to show you guys how this is done. He's doing a two-step on this one. So now he's lining up his film. We did use the Graphtec plotter back there, if you can see it behind all my stuff, my Hotsy and my other cars that we're working on. Yeah, if you're watching this video, please hit the subscribe button below. We are going to start doing a little more instructional type videos on window tinting and also ceramic installations, paint corrections, and vinyl wrapping, paint protection films. We do pretty much everything ceramic here at Mr. Ceramic. Yeah, so this car did have 35% film on the front windows. Richie tore that off, and we're installing this 5% because she wanted more privacy. Now he does this, that way he can get the film all the way to the top. Then he trims it back so there are no light gaps whatsoever when Richie gets done. This does not hurt the glass. You see him rub his finger down it, does not hurt the glass, won't cut you people. And you can see that's what it looks like from the inside. Just nice and clean.
Weird little lip right here.
And yes, we have a Graphtec. Yes, it cuts it to the shape of the window, but we don't like light gaps.
It's never perfect.
So the top shade up there is 50%. Then the second one down is 35. That's what she had on there. We're going all the way down to the bottom, 5%. Just above that would be 20%, but she wanted darks.
This is just me being overly cautious, but
Now we use that hard part with a paper towel. Oh, sorry. When I shut the car off, the power shut off. Now he'll prep for his 2-stage. That window rolled up. Peel the tint back, he'll clean the window. Now removing the liner. Now pay attention here how he tucks these corners to avoid creasing. Richie tends to make it look real easy, folks. This is years and years of practice and doing it every day. Now he's basically got it laid flat back down on the glass, all tucked into position. Spray it down and squeegee away. I was like, what the heck is this? It was one of the little trim pieces. You got one like right on the trim right there. Yeah, right there. Richie, the tint master Mina, coming through again. Oh yeah, that's the look.
We got a couple of little touch-ups, but nothing crazy. Touch-ups are tint. That's part of life.
So we can try to see what Richie sees. He said there are touch-ups, but that's why he has a professional eye.
Well, that's why I like to bottom load normally, but these sweeps are so hard to get out that
Yeah.
I didn't bother.
So he's blocking that rubber trim with the hard card with the heat gun, that way it doesn't distort the trim or damage it at all.
You can open that door.
Sure.